Second-hand or vintage shopping is taking over the fashion scene. Anna, a fashionista in Barcelona, is going to show us a couple of markets where old clothes are the latest look.
Hey, my name is Anna. I love vintage shopping, so I wanted to show you two of the best markets where you can find a lot of bargains and all kinds of things, really.
Fledonia Market is in Rabaul, a young and vibrant neighbourhood in Barcelona.
So this camera is really cool. It's 30 or more years old. It's cheap as well, 10 euros. 8 euros? Now we're going to check out another market where everything is €1. I'm so curious to see what they have.
Two Markets is a monthly market in the north of Barcelona, where everything is just €1.
So I didn't buy anything in the end. I think this market's more about recycling and finding things very cheap rather than finding fashion. Hope to see you soon again. Bye!